Lesson 2-4, solving equations with a variable on each side. This is day 3 of a 3-day lesson. Essential question. How do you solve an equation with same side like terms? Here are the steps in solving these problems. We will always bomb it first. Then if we have any variables on the same side of the equal sign, we'll combine those. Then we're going to get the variables on the same side if they're on opposite sides, and then we'll solve our remaining equation with our couple and third wheel. Here's the first one, 4 plus 6x plus 2x equals negative 20. So I'll draw my train tracks. I'm going to notice that I have the same variables on the left side, the 6x and the 2x. Since they both have pluses in front of them, it means they're both positive. I'm going to add them together. 6 and 2 make 8x. I'll bring down my 4, and I'll bring down my negative 20. Now we're left with a couple and third wheel problem. My couple is 8x, my third wheel is 4. So it's positive, so I'm going to subtract it from both sides. 4 and negative 4 make 0. Bring down the 8x. Negative 20 and negative 4 make negative 24. And then I'm going to break up my couple by dividing both sides by 8. So I'm left with x equals negative 24 divided by 8 is negative 3. Remember, a negative divided by a positive makes a negative. All right, next one, 3 plus 7x minus 2x equals 18. Again, I have the variables on the same side, so I have positive 7 and negative 2. So 7 plus a negative 2, or 7 minus 2, would be 5x. Bring down my 3, bring down my 18. Now I have a couple and third wheel problems. Circle my couple, 5x. 3 is positive, so I'm going to subtract it on both sides. I'm left with 5x equals 15. If I break up my couple, I need to divide by 5. So I'm left with x equals 3. Third example, 1 minus 2x minus 4x equals negative 5. Draw my train tracks. Same side like terms. I've got a negative 2 and a negative 4. Negative 2 and negative 4 make negative 6x. Bring the 1 down, bring the negative 5 down. My couple is negative 6. My third wheel is 1, so I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. Negative 6x equals negative 5 and negative 1 make negative 6. Break up my couple. Negative 6 divided by negative 6 equals a positive 1. All right, the next two are going to be a little bit challenging. It says find the value for x that makes the perimeter of each figure equal. So we know that we want our triangle and our rectangle to be equal. All right, perimeter. Perimeter is adding up the sides of the figure. So adding up all 3 sides of the triangle would mean adding x plus 1, x plus 1, and 3x plus 5. Now I said since it's perimeter, I'm adding, so I'm going to put a plus in between each side. Now I'm going to combine same side like terms. So I have an x, and a 3x. This is like 1x, and 1x, and 3x, which would make 5x. 1, 1, and 5 makes 7. Now there's nothing else I can do on the left-hand side, so I'm going to go to my rectangle. We know that rectangles have the same length and the same width. So if the length is x plus 4 there, the top length is x plus 4. If we know the right width is 3x minus 5, we know the left one is also 3x minus 5. So then I'm going to add all 4 sides. So x plus 4, x plus 4, 3x minus 5, and 3x minus 5. Again, it's perimeter, so I want to add all four sides. So x, x, 3x, and 3x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, x. 4 and 4 make 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Now we have a variable on both sides. So I'm going to circle my couple. I could either subtract 5x on both sides or 8x on both sides. I'm going to choose 5x because that's going to keep my answer positive. 5 and negative 5 make 0. So it's positive 7 equals 3x minus 2. Now we have a couple and third wheel. So add 2 to both sides. That's my third wheel. I'm left with 3x on the right, 9 on the left. Break up my couple by dividing by 3. X equals 3. So if I took this 3 and plugged it into all of these x's and found out the perimeter, it would equal the perimeter if I put 3 into all of those x's and added it up. All right, summary. To solve an equation with same side like terms, the homework for this lesson is a worksheet.